Today we are having a mad scientist party. We have some awesome lunch napkins, dessert plates, dinner plates, some 9-ounce cups, fun little nerd glasses, mad scientist stickers. They come with 24 in a pack. These fun little syringe looking pens, Elements bracelets, Mad Scientist molded cups. They look like little beakers. They've got the little straw in there. Those are pretty fun. Some slime test tubes. And some Mad Scientist stress toys. Of course, to make your science party or science fair more fun, we have some awesome photographs.